Hi, welcome everyone. I'm Candace from So Creative, and we have another unboxing video for you. And we have been waiting for this fabric. It was behind schedule on coming, so we're really excited to hear. It's from Northcott and Figo, which is a subsidiary of Northcott. We were supposed to have this top one months ago. We are so excited to have this. This is a cotton panel, and what it is these are labels, quilt labels. So you can buy it by the panel. You're going to be able to buy it. We'll cut it up, and you can buy, groups of so many at a time that you can choose out of a basket. But we have these. So those of you that like to put labels on your quilts, but you don't have an embroidery machine or something, you can write on this with one of the permanent non-wash markers and just attach it like you would a normal label. So this is fantastic. All right, next up we have some rayon. We have this lovely rayon here that has kind of a woodsy theme, which is really nice. We have more of a fall coloring, kind of reminiscent of the 70s, but these colors are coming back into style for rayon. Of course, being in this valley, we have to have some fruit. So we have some pears, which are really nice. And we have one more that's right here. This is kind of more of a little bit of abstract, kind of a mauve-y color. Now, the great thing about rayon is it's really drapey, and so a lot of people like it. It's lightweight, they love it for the summer, and rayon is exactly what we used when doing this kimono, and we'll be actually teaching a class on this. We have 2 different classes. You can go online and see when they are, or give us a call and find out, but this is the type of fabric that you use, really drapey. Rayon, you don't have to iron that much, which is fantastic compared to cotton if you're doing clothing, and it's really forgiving. So if you have any questions about any of the fabric we unboxed today or any of our upcoming classes, go ahead and give us a call at 663-5516, or we're at 1139 North Princeton Street across from Lewis and Clark Elementary.